Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we focus on helping parents support children with learning difficulties through tips, strategies, and real talk. If you find our content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon. It really helps the YouTube algorithm reach more parents who may need guidance on supporting their children with learning difficulties. Thanks for being here. Now, let's dive into today's video. How Ghotit transforms the writing experience for people with dyslexia. For millions of individuals living with dyslexia, the act of putting thoughts into written words can feel like an exhausting battle against their own mind. Letters dance and reverse themselves, phonetically logical spellings don't match conventional writing, and the constant fear of embarrassment creates a paralyzing barrier to self-expression. Standard writing tools, designed for neurotypical brains, often exacerbate these challenges by demanding near-perfect spelling before offering assistance, like requiring someone to nearly solve a puzzle before providing the missing pieces. This is where Ghotit represents a revolutionary shift. Developed through years of research into dyslexic cognition and language processing, Ghotit stands as perhaps the first writing assistant that truly speaks the language of dyslexia, transforming what was once a source of frustration into an opportunity for confident communication. At its core, Ghotit functions as a compassionate writing partner that understands the neurological roots of dyslexic spelling patterns. Where conventional spell checkers fail with words like cuz for because or night for night, Ghotit recognizes these as legitimate attempts rather than careless errors. Its sophisticated algorithms have been trained on thousands of real writing samples from dyslexic individuals, allowing it to identify and correct mistakes that would baffle other programs. For instance, when faced with baffle, spelled as baffle, Ghotit doesn't just correct the word, it explains the phonics rule being applied, turning each correction into a mini lesson. This approach stems from the developer's fundamental understanding that dyslexic writers aren't being lazy. Their brains simply process written language differently, often maintaining strong cognitive abilities in other areas that aren't reflected in traditional writing assessments. The magic of Ghotit reveals itself most clearly through its predictive writing technology, which operates more like an attentive collaborator than a passive tool. As users begin typing, Ghotit's AI doesn't just suggest the next word, it anticipates complete thoughts and phrases based on context. This proves invaluable when the connection between thought and written word feels tenuous, effectively bridging the gap between ideas and their expression. The program's text-to-speech function adds another layer of support, reading back text with natural inflection while simultaneously highlighting each word. This multisensory feedback creates powerful neural connections that help reinforce proper spelling and grammar patterns. Users frequently report that hearing their writing aloud helps them identify awkward phrasing or missing words that their eyes might skip over, a common challenge for dyslexic readers. What truly sets Ghotit apart is its holistic approach to accessibility. Beyond just correcting text, the program offers a suite of customization options that address the sensory aspects of dyslexia. Users can adjust screen colors to reduce visual stress, select from dyslexia-friendly fonts that make characters more distinct, and even modify the spacing between letters and lines to improve readability. These features acknowledge that writing difficulties in dyslexia stem not just from language processing, but from visual perception challenges as well. The interface itself is designed with clear, intuitive navigation that doesn't overwhelm users with unnecessary options or complex menus, a thoughtful consideration for those who might struggle with executive function or information processing. The real-world impact of Ghotit becomes most apparent when hearing from its users. Students who once dreaded writing assignments describe being able to focus on developing their ideas rather than obsessing over spelling. Professionals share stories of finally feeling confident in their workplace communications. Perhaps most powerfully, adult learners who spent years believing they were bad writers discover that their challenges stemmed not from lack of ability, but from using tools that didn't accommodate their neurological differences. Teachers report dramatic improvements in both writing quality and student self-esteem when Ghotit is incorporated into classroom activities. The program's ability to maintain learning logs allows educators to track progress while still giving students independence, striking that delicate balance between support and self-sufficiency. Ghotit's versatility extends across platforms and devices, ensuring support is available wherever writing happens. Whether composing an email on a smartphone, drafting a report on a laptop, or taking notes on a tablet, the assistance remains consistent. The Chrome extension brings this support directly into web browsers, offering real-time help with online forms, social media posts, and other digital writing tasks that might otherwise cause anxiety. For older students and professionals, this seamless integration means not having to switch between specialized and mainstream programs. Ghotit quietly does its job in the background of whatever application they're using. Underlying all these features is a profound philosophical approach that tools shouldn't force users to conform to narrow standards of correctness, but should instead adapt to how different brains naturally work. This principle manifests in Ghotit's customizable settings that allow each user to adjust the level of assistance based on their specific needs and preferences. Some may want aggressive correction for important documents, while others prefer gentle suggestions during creative writing. This flexibility respects the user's autonomy, while still providing a safety net for those moments when words prove particularly elusive. The psychological benefits of using Ghotit often prove just as valuable as the practical ones. Many users describe feeling an enormous weight lifted when they realize they have a reliable way to catch and correct their mistakes. The constant anxiety about errors, that lingering fear of being judged for spelling or grammar, begins to fade. This emotional relief frequently translates into greater willingness to write, which in turn leads to improved skills through practice. It's a virtuous cycle that stands in stark contrast to the frustration and avoidance that so often characterize the dyslexic writing experience. Looking toward the future, Ghotit continues evolving through ongoing research into dyslexia and language acquisition. The development team maintains close connections with neuroscientists and educators to ensure the program reflects the latest understanding of how dyslexic brains process written language. Upcoming features promise even more personalized support, with adaptive learning algorithms that track individual patterns to provide targeted assistance where it's needed most. This commitment to continuous improvement reflects Ghotit's foundational belief that when given the right tools, dyslexic individuals can express themselves every bit as effectively as anyone else. They just need technology that speaks their language. In a world that increasingly relies on written communication, tools like Ghotit do more than correct spelling. They open doors to education, employment, and self-expression that might otherwise remain closed. By bridging the gap between dyslexic cognition and conventional writing standards, Ghotit doesn't just assist with writing. It restores the fundamental human ability to share thoughts, stories, and ideas without barriers. For anyone who has ever struggled to make their writing match the brilliance of their thinking, Ghotit offers more than assistance. It offers liberation. The message is simple yet profound. The problem was never your brain. It was waiting for technology to catch up with how your brain works. With Ghotit, that wait is over. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For further questions and inquiries, you may contact us at 6564-6533 or 8614-7651, or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.